Good morning, Morgan, and good morning to any of Morgan's friends that are joining us for today's video. And in today's video, we're going to talk about a particular type of object, the DictReader, that's used in the CSV module, and it's just a modified version of the reader object. Okay. And of course, the reason why they created this is because with the CSV files, they're Excel files, and the first record in each one of these files should be the header record, which has all the titles for all the columns. Okay, and with that, let's just get through this reading, then we'll talk about it some more.
Class CSV.DictReader F field names equals none, rest key equals none, rest val equals none, dialect equals Excel, asterisk args, KWDS. Create an object that operates like a regular reader, but maps the information in each row to a dict whose keys are given by the optional field names parameter. The field names parameter is a sequence. If field names is omitted, the values in the first row of file F will be used as the field names. Regardless of how the field names are determined, the dictionary preserves their original ordering. If a row has more fields than field names, the remaining data is put in a list and stored with the field name specified by rest key, which defaults to none. If a non-blank row has fewer fields than field names, the missing values are filled in with the value of rest val, which defaults to none. All other optional or keyword arguments are passed to the underlying reader instance. If the argument passed to field names is an iterator, it will be coerced to a list.
Okay, now this is the next little bit is about how it has evolved, because they're always coming out with a new version like Minecraft, and that things change. Okay, we're not going to bother reading that. And then now we have a simple example, and with that we're going to stop here and we're going to go and look at the sample code that I've created for this example. All right, let's do this. And here we are in the sample code for this video, and I am still using the Epstein flight log CSV as our example. And although we haven't covered it in this video, we probably will in the next video or the video after that. Remember the field name parameter. Okay, we're not using the field name parameter. It should be in the open statement, right? But it's not. Okay, so it's going to it's going to default to that header record. Okay. But if there wasn't a header record, here's the list in the fields. Fields object is a list, and in that list is every column name for this particular file. All right, and in this example, we're going to only look at the flight number and the last name columns in this record. Okay, all right. So with that, we're gonna hit the frickin' to go button, and it's going to do its thing, and if it's going to blow up, it's going to blow up, but it didn't. All right, so with that, let's go ahead and finish up here and go over and take a look at the output. All right, let's do this. And here we are in the output, and by God, the output goes on for like 12,000 lines, okay, because there's a lot of data in there. Right? And man, it's not working quite right. Every once in a while, look, all of a sudden here, this freaking name just pops up here. Okay, so there must be something weird going on in the file. But here we have the flight log. Okay, so on flight 950, somebody named Maxwell was on it. Where you see there's more than one number. The numbers are the same. Apparently, there was more than one passenger. Okay, like for instance, on 959, there was someone named Middlefart and somebody named Epstein. All right, and with that, This is what the output looks like. And then, of course, we've created an output file, and we can actually put this file and use it as input into a different program. But with that, we're done with today's video. I hope you all enjoyed it, and we'll see you in the next one. Hasta la vista.